Good morning to all. My topic is Home Rule Movement. The Home Rule Movement was a campaign for self-governance in British India, inspiration by the Irish Home Rule Movement, led by Annie Besant. Background: the demand for self-rule intensified after the partition of Bengal and World War I. Moderated leader of Congress felt the need for a stronger movement. Role of Annie Besant, a British theosophist and social reformer who promoted self-rule, published New India and Commonwealth to spread nationalist ideas, used public speeches, newspaper and pamphlets to mobilize support. Faced arrest in 1917, which intensified the movement. Objective of the Home Rule Movement: attain self-governance within the British Empire, spread political awareness among Indians, strengthen the national movement. Impact of the movement: spread nationalist ideas and united Indians, strengthened the Indian National Congress, led to the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Decline of the movement: 1918, Tilak left for England. Besant lost influences. Indian National Congress adopted non-cooperation under Gandhi. Focus shifted towards mass movement. Conclusion: the Home Rule Movement was crucial step towards independence. Let the fountain for future mass movement led by Gandhi. Annie Besant's role was significant in shaping modern Indian nationalism. Thank you.